guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular interior. So let's continue it. So I'll just remove this pillows and I'll model a fresh pillows. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, let's take a box over here, slightly just push this box up, increase the segments. Let's go into this and let's give a cloth modifier. I'll go into the object properties and I'll assign a bit of cloth, and let's give the pressure as 8 or 10. Let's click OK, and into this I'll just give a gravity as 0, and let's just simulate it. So I can just simulate this over here in this way. So you can easily simulate the stuff over here in this way. So as you can see, we have created a perfect pillow, or you can say a cushion over here. So let's convert to editable poly, and let's go into this and let's give turbo smooth if needed, or else it's okay. So I can just extend this. I'll just rotate it over here. I'll slightly just scale this, slightly rotate it, and let's just place it up over here, push this up in this way. So we can just try to manage this in this way over here accordingly. Alright, now I can just mirror it, copy it in x-axis. I'll just place it over here. Again I'll just drag it over here. I'll again duplicate it, shuffle it over here, and if you want you can just mirror it. You can just mirror this stuff, or I can just make a copy of it. Let's just give a copy, slightly you can tilt it, you can just scale it if needed. Alright, so just save the file. So again I'll go over here, I'll just take again a chamfer box over here. So let's take a chamfer box over here. I'll activate this auto grid over here, and let's add a chamfer box in this way. I'll just reduce this fillet and I'll increase its height. So you can slightly reduce the fillet and again reduce the height of it. And if you want, I can just go over here and I can slightly give some segments and convert to editable poly. So again I'll go over here, let's take a rectangle. I'll just go over here and I will take a rectangle over here, and slightly I'll just push this rectangle a bit up over here. Go into rendering, enable in viewport, and let's reduce its thickness over here. So I can slightly reduce the thickness of it. Again go over here and you can just take a cylinder or a line, whatever. So I'll just take it over here. Now I'll just shuffle this over here and slightly increase its height over here. So let's just increase this height a bit. Go over here, let's just duplicate it again select this, control select this, shift and drag, and again make a copy of it in this way. So that can be done. And if you want, you can slightly increase this thickness if needed. Convert to editable spline, and I can slightly just push it a bit inside. Alright, so it's not correctly placed, so we need to place it correctly. Okay, so once it is done, let's again take a cylinder over here, and let's go over here and increase the height segments, or you can just increase the sides over here. We can slightly increase the sides over here and reduce the height segments if needed, and I'll just shuffle this up. So I think we can slightly just scale this a bit if required. I can just push it over here slightly. I can just push it in this way and shuffle this over here in this way, push it down, and convert to editable poly. Select the polygons, and let's give a bit of inset over here slightly, and again I'll go over here, shuffle a bit up over here slightly, select the polygons, scale it, and let's give a bit of bevel over here slightly over here in this way. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So we'll continue with the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.